Time now for the morning rush. We begin right away with that winter storm moving through the metro area, already making for a difficult morning commute. Now, the entire metro area saw snow, with some parts still seeing it to continue to fall this morning. The eastern part of the city was hit the hardest, with areas in the heights around Tramway receiving several inches of snow. Major and side roads are still covered with snow and ice at this point. Now, another hazard is the winds. They are making for a very low visibility. Christopher?
David, that snow is going to continue throughout the day as well. You can see near the lunchtime hour, we are going to have snow across a large part of the state. That is going to continue into the evening hours as well. When you're leaving work, we're going to see pretty heavy snow just south of Albuquerque near Socorro, and also as you head east towards the Texas Panhandle. David?
There are several trouble spots that we want to mention to you this morning throughout the state, and they are causing dangerous driving conditions. This photo right here is I-40 westbound at Cedillo Hill. You can see snow covering the highway as a car drives through it. Also on I-40 at Klein's Corners, you can see the snow there on the highway. Dangerous driving conditions are also reported up near Santa Fe on I-25. Another picture shows I-25 and Cerrillos Road with snow covering the entire pavement. And of course, the snow means good news for ski resorts in the northern part of the state. Here's a look from Red River. They have 9 inches of snow there within the last 48 hours. They're also reporting 25 inches of snow at the base of the mountain. Meanwhile, Taos is reporting 6 inches of snow that have fallen there in the last 2 days. And in Pajarito, you can actually see the snow falling in the shot there. In the last 2 days, they have received about 6 inches. Now, Pajarito also says that they actually open now for the ski season. Well, the overnight snow is still causing several closures and delays this morning. The city of Albuquerque is on a 2-hour delay, with offices opening at 10 this morning. You can see why. This is video that we captured last night in downtown Albuquerque. Additionally, officials say that all non-essential city services will also be on a 2-hour delay. Up in Rio Rancho, they are experiencing the same, with 2-hour delay for the inclement weather. The city says that their offices and facilities will be open to the public starting at 10 a.m. Now, if conditions worsen, officials say updates will be posted on their website, and of course, we will keep an eye on that for you. Well, this morning you may want to check your flight if you are leaving the Sunport. They say they are experiencing several flight cancellations and delays. About 50 departures out of the Sunport and 50 arrivals have been canceled, but several more have been delayed. Now, keep in mind this, as the weather system continues to develop, those numbers could change throughout the morning. And of course, you can also follow the closures scrolling at the bottom of your screen throughout this program and the next one. You can also find the latest on the storm on air and on the KRQE weather app. Christopher?
David, taking a look at the Metro Threat Index, there are not many times you're going to see the Metro Threat Index at a 10, but we have it at a 10 today, and that's because of the blizzard warning that is in effect. We're going to see those snow and winds continue in the metro, especially eastern and western parts of the metro. David?
Beginning in the 2019 school year, NMSU will start giving their athletes a stipend. The school's athletic director says the 85 football players on scholarship will likely get a $500 stipend each year. That stipend will then also be given to 85 female student athletes in sports that have yet to be determined. NMSU is the only school in the country right now with a Division I football program that is not offering the athletes what they call a cost of attendance stipend.
Well, now let's get a look at that morning drive. You can see out there looking at the current conditions, it is a slow go along Interstate 40 as well as I-25. There are snow plows that are out on I-40 and I-25 right now, keeping it clear. If you have to head out, drive slow because there are icy conditions. Time now for the 5 facts. At number 5, we're starting this year off with some good news. NMSU athletes are actually going to get some spending cash. NMSU is the only school in the country with a Division I football program that is not offering athletes with what they call a cost of attendance stipend. Now, the school's athletic director says the 85 football players on scholarship will likely get a $500 scholarship each year.
And number 4, a warning this morning from the Bernalillo County Treasurer's Office about a possible property tax scam. The Treasurer's Office says that some customers have received postcards in the mail that read, quote, property notification, and mentions a potential transfer of ownership, but the notice is not from the Treasurer's Office. And number 3, Albuquerque Mayor Tim Keller says that he's preparing to take on gun violence in 2019. New stats for 2018 show the city's overall crime rate dropped for the first time in nearly a decade. There's a decrease also in auto burglary and auto theft from last year to this year. Homicides and robbery also dropped, but non-fatal shootings were up by about 4%. And at number 2, new video will likely be used in the case against a man accused of dropping off a suspicious package at a state police office. He is now set to appear in court in January for making multiple threats. Now, FBI investigators say that Michael Neeson was making threats and harassing police officers for weeks. According to investigators, back in November, Neeson called dispatch after being pulled over in Torrance County. Court documents show that he made harassing phone calls and sent threatening emails to state police in relation to that stop. Police never said what was in the package.
And at number 1, we have a blizzard warning for the metro area. I spoke to the National Weather Service. They say this is the first time that they can find that we've actually had a blizzard warning here in the metro, David.